Good morning, students. How are you all? I welcome you in EVS online class. So today we are going to do the book exercise of lesson number 12, and the name of the lesson is Our Houses. Right? In last video we have done A, B and C part, and I hope you all have complete your work in your EVS notebook. So today we start with D part, that is match column A, match column A with column B. In this they have given two columns A and B, and you have to match these two columns. Okay, so the left side is column A, and in the right side there is column B. In the left column A they have given Carver, Igloo, temporary houses. Here H should be small houses. Then fourth one is permanent house. Permanent houses, and the last one is your state houses. Okay, so in column A they have given you the different types of houses, and in column B you have to match with the particular places or where they belong to. So first one is Carva, and I am writing answer in front of it. So Carva is house on wheels. So first one answer is E, house on wheels. Right? Second one is igloo. What is answer for igloo? Answer is D, snow. Igloo is found made up of snow. Third, temporary houses. Temporary houses are also known as A, kacha houses. Kacha houses. And permanent houses are also known as pakka houses. So B, pakka houses. And state house, answer is mostly found in flood areas. Okay, the answer is flood areas. So once again, Carva, house on wheels, igloo, snow, temporary houses, kacha houses, permanent houses, pakka houses, and state houses found in flood area. So this your D part is complete, and now we proceed towards E part. So E part, answer the Answer the following questions. Okay, answer the following questions. So, question number 1 is why. Now, for W, you have to touch the tree line. Why do we need a house? हमें घर की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? सो आंसर 1, we, W should touch the tree line beta. We need a house. It is coming from the question only. We need a house because it protects us from हीट. वो हमें गर्मी से बचाता है. कोल्ड, सर्दी से बचाता है. रेन, बारिश. वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, जंगली जानवरों से. एंड थीव्स, और चोरों से. ओके, सो वाई डू वी नीड अ हाउस? वी नीड अ हाउस बिकॉज इट प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम हीट, कोल्ड, रेन, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स एंड थीव्स. ओके, and here the spelling of thieves is, by mistake I have written wrong, THIEVES. Okay, please correct it, thief spelling. Now second question, what is difference between permanent house and temporary house? Permanent house is not here. Permanent and temporary houses. Okay, you have to write the difference between the permanent houses and temporary houses. So answer is temporary houses you have to draw line, and permanent houses. Okay, so first one is houses which are not fixed and can be carried from one place to another. So your temporary houses are those houses which are not fixed, जो फिक्स नहीं है और हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर उसे लेकर जा सकते हैं. सेकेंड इज permanent houses. These houses are well planned are well planned, durable, fixed, built, durable built with cement and brick. Okay, these houses are constructed with well planned and built. Second point is examples are your tent, houseboat, and here second one is your example bungalow, and single story. Okay, this 2 point. One thing you have to remember, that first point should come in one line only, okay, and second should come in second line. Okay, now third point is it is known as Kacha house, and third point, it is known as Pakka house. Okay, and the fourth point, last point one, these houses are not very strong. Okay, ये घर ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होते हैं. एंड फोर्थ वन, दिस हाउसेस आर वेरी strong. So these are the 4 points of Kacha house and Pakka house. Now the third question, where W should touch the 3 lines. Where do Eskimos live? Eskimos कहाँ रहते हैं? So answer is Eskimos live in igloos. Only igloos you have to learn. So that's all for the day. Complete this work in your notebook. 2 questions are left that we will do it tomorrow. So complete the work and send me pics so that I can check it. Thank you.